Hello everyone. Today I am going to show how animals are important for us through a puppet show. Once upon a time, there was a duck who thought that I am the most useful animal as I give eggs. And frog entered and said, No. I am the most useful animal as I eat insects and maintains ecosystem. Then rabbit jumped in and said, No. I am the most cutest animal. Everybody wants to play with me. Then dog entered and said, No. I am the loyal animal as I protect the humans from danger.